Everyone, so I recently won this giveaway. It arrived. I won it from Miss Jackie Russell. I'll leave her link down below to her channel. Check her out. She is awesome. So let's take a look at what I got. Hopefully nothing spilled. These two were included in it. I really like when people write little notes. It makes it that much more special. It says, "Hi Alicia, thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. Enjoy your goodies. Congratulations on your win of the Your Skincare. Enjoy, your friend XOXO, Miss Jackie Russell." And I really like this little Bible verse. Here's the outside of the box. I had never heard of this beauty box or brand until I watched the video, and this is how it looks on the inside. So let me open it up. It's nicely packaged, and I just wanted to show you guys how they package it with the little paper. It's really cute. So the first item I pull out is this little headband to keep your hair back. I like that they put numbers on it. The first one is a cleanser. It makes it easier to use for someone who hasn't done like a routine. The second one is a day cream. The third one is serum, and this is a really nice size to even try out. The last is the night cream, and it has a number 4 on it. Thank you so much to Miss Jackie Russell. I'll leave her channel link down below. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Let me know if you've heard of this brand. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video.